masasabi niyo po? It's all about God. It's all about praise.
Very holy.
It's all about the worship.
Marami
It's all about the faith.
It's all about the wisdom.
It's all about the wisdom
From God. Given by God.
A group of young believers having fellowship together and praising God together. And at the same time, nagkakaroon ng friendship bond among youths.
YFC? Yun ba yung Youth for Christ? Oo, yun nga yung Youth for Christ. It is a spiritual organization dito sa university natin, De La Salle. Yan, meron kaming vision na a renewed and united society in Christ through the campuses. And dito sa YFC, in-encourage namin kayo to serve God with passion and to live a life with integrity. And syempre, lastly, na mag-excel tayo lahat sa studies natin. Almost 5 years na ako nag-serve dito. And dahil sa YFC, naging sulit ang college life ko. Yung youth camp, yun yung way para maging Youth for Christ tayo, para makasali tayo. And kagaya na sinasabi ng mga ate at saka kuya ko rin, pag hindi ka nag-enjoy dito sa youth camp na to, babalik nila yung registration fee mo. And after nitong youth camp, sigurado akong may sunod-sunod pa activities para mag-enjoy ka sa stay mo dito.
We invite you
To the upcoming
to come
September 19 to 21, 2040.
St. Gaspar Seminary.
Kita!